Alright, this is the new for 2019 Gemmy inflatable Christmas copter. Sold at Lowe's for $140. 9 feet long. Of course, it's animated, has 2 propellers spinning, and it says North Pole Helicopter Tours. Pretty cool inflatable. I'm about to go ahead and see if it inflates. This is the only one left in stock at Lowe's besides the display model. And I don't really feel comfortable buying a display model because, I mean, who knows what they do with that thing. But I'll go ahead and open it up. Just trying to be careful here. See what size knife I need to use here. Trying to find a short one. There we go. Just trying to be careful so I don't rip the inflatable. And go and open it up. So here it is. It has a nice big box on it. Pretty heavy inflatable for compared to some of the others I've had. Then again, this does have a YEF 125 fan on it, so it's a powerful fan. High velocity fan or tornado fan, whatever people call them. It's got the new stakes that they've had now for a little while, since last year I think. Just the instructions. The inflatable itself, and there's a fan. Nice big fan on it. I'm going to take it out of the bag. So here it is. There's the propeller that spins here, and there's the it has a new style fan cover. It feels different than the old one did. Go ahead and get it out and ready to go. There's a fan. It does have folding legs, which is kind of a surprise for a 125. I have to go ahead and open it out and see what it is. It probably is a 125. I don't think they put a 200 in a helicopter. But let's see. Let's try and use the light to help me. It's probably a 125. I'm not really sure. There's not really a way to tell unless you hear them turn on. But 200 is gonna be a little louder than 125 is. So, I'll get this thing ready to go. Actually, it's facing the back, so maybe I can turn it around a little better. Try to make sure I get that facing this way. So here we go. Hopefully it'll inflate the right way. It's going really fast. This thing's moving. And this thing's already up. Actually, this is air powered. I thought it'd be electric, but the back one I know is air powered. The plate's super tight, just like any helicopter should. The reindeer. The North Pole Helicopter Tours. There's Santa right here. He's hanging on the helicopter. The one on the back moves really fast. The one on the front's not as fast. I want to fix Santa's beard a little bit if I can. There we go. Looks a little better. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is the review of the 2019 Airblown inflatable on North Pole Helicopter Tours.